Meditation tips. 1. Finding your Zen spot. Sure, sitting on the floor is classic, but if that fluffy couch is calling your name, answer it. No one ever said enlightenment can't happen in a recliner. 2. Breathe in, breathe out. Yes, breathing is essential. Not just for meditation, but for, well, everything. If you're holding your breath, you're probably missing the point. And oxygen. 3. Embrace the calm. If your mind wanders to the epic battle you're planning with that squirrel outside, gently bring it back. Squirrel wars can wait. Inner peace cannot. 4. Close your eyes, but not too tight. Relax those eyelids. No one's sneaking up on you. Unless you still haven't sorted out that whole bear situation. In which case, maybe keep one eye open. Just in case. 5. Silence is golden. Turn off the TV, the vacuum, the blender. Seriously, why are you blending things during meditation? The bear is one thing, but blending a smoothie right now, that's just asking for trouble. 6. Ignore the itch. We all know it's there. The itch that only appears the moment you sit still. But you're stronger than that. Or, just scratch it. No one's judging. 7. Mantras are cool, but if chanting Om feels too mainstream, feel free to mix it up. Pizza, nap, or sleep can work just as well. Just don't order a pizza while meditating. Multitasking isn't Zen.